Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends. Well, I was outside doing some yard work and throwing some stuff away in my trash. I heard this bird over by that tree. He was going nuts. I mean, just chirping like crazy. And on the ground, hopping up and down, and I thought, well, maybe the bird's attacking a snake. And there she is. She landed back on the ground. Oh, she just went back up in the tree. But it's a robin. And I don't know if it's the mother or the father. I don't know which one's colorful, but this one's not that very colorful, but it's a robin bird. And there it is on the ground. What the camera's picking up, I can't see in the viewfinder because the sun is so bright. Where's the bird at? Can't see the bird. It is on the ground, it's chirping. Right there it is. It's a robin bird, and I walked over because I thought maybe it was a snake, but what it is it's a baby bird on the ground, and she was going nuts because there's two more birds over here. They're not robins. I don't know what these birds are called over here. But there's two of them over here. Man, I can't see nothing in this viewfinder. There they are. They were near the baby and the mother was going nuts. So I went inside to get my camera and I wanted to see if the mother would be back on the ground. There she is again. And I walked over there, she jumped up into the tree like she's doing right now. So I'm going to go over there with the camera because I want to see the baby. She's in the tree right there. See how close she'll let me get. Yeah, her head is kind of red. Don't fly away yet. Man, it's really hard to see. Anyway, she's kind of red, or he, or I don't know what it is, but it's a pretty bird when you can see with your plain eyes. Just don't want her to come down and attack me. There's a dove in the tree. I don't know where she's at. Here's the baby. There she is right above me. Right there's the baby bird, the baby robin. There she is right there. She or he. Oh, she's coming really close to me. And her voice is changing. I want to get, there she is right there. Oh, I don't know if it's a robin or what that is. Now that I'm closer, looks like a parakeet. Oh, there's two of them. Oh yeah, they're warning me. I'm gonna put this camera down here. I'm looking up as I'm holding the camera here, so I don't know if it's focusing or what. Because these, oh my goodness. Boy, she dive bombed me from behind and then landed right there. Got really close to my head. I could feel the air from the downbeat of her wings. There's two of them in here, so it's the mother and the father. There's one up there. It's jumping around. That's the colorful one, and then there's one right here. This is the one that dive bombed me. And the other one on here is coming around, trying to come around behind me. Right there it is, right there. The camera's picking it up. It's a pretty bird. Up down there. they're trying to distract me one another. This one's kind of looks like a parakeet in the beak. That's the one that dive bombed me. And thing is, the other one's flying around over there. I'm gonna try and get behind me. They're quite upset. That's for sure. But I'm not gonna do any harm. I don't know if the camera's picking up the chirping, but there it is right there. I thought it was a robin, but you know, I have a problem with color sometimes, and I have a problem seeing too because I can get my glasses on. But the baby's right there. It's not doing anything. It's just sitting there. Whoa. I'm trying to watch behind me because the other one's behind me in the tree behind me. Chirping pretty good. You can hear that. Thought it was a red robin, but I may be wrong. This one's over here in this tree over here. See if I can get a close up of this one. It's doing its job. It's pulling me away from the baby. See, it's flying over there. Distract me. This one's more colorful. It won't let me get close though. Flying over there. Somewhere in that tree. And I feel bad because it is extremely hot. It's like 104 over here. Man, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I mean, I got sweat just dripping down my head and my back. Trying to get close to this one. It's a pretty bird. I don't see a nest anywhere where that baby could have fell from. And I don't know what these parents are going to do. How to, right there. That's a brave one. The other ones, they're talking to each other. It's chirping and this one chirps. There it is. I don't know if the male or female. There's the baby right there. Let's get a different view here. Where did it go? Blends so well in with the ground. It's got that ridge on its head, and that's what the one right here in front of me in the tree is chirping. Has that thing too. When it gets angry, it can raise it up and raise it down. Anyways, I'm gonna leave them alone. I don't know what they're gonna do. Like I said, there isn't a nest anywhere above where this baby is. But I'm going to leave them alone because they look like they're getting stressed out here. So there you have it. 2 Arizona wild birds. I don't know exactly what they are. I'm going to look on Google, see if I can figure out what it is. The baby has fallen to the ground. Like I said, here's right above me. There isn't a nest in sight anywhere here. On any of these branches anywhere. So I don't know where that baby came from. But every day something going on in my yard. Oh, and a squirrel update. I was out doing yard work. The ants that I killed in the previous video, I was digging up the holes and flipping the dirt over and pounding them down, and I seen the squirrel. He came out of that hole and he saw me. He ran this way, and he ran all the way on the other side of this tree, and he ran all the way over into my neighbor's house over there. So I got a brick and I plugged up that hole so he can't get back into that hole. So I know he's not under my house no more. But back to these birds. There goes the mother or the father. They're going back into the tree. And that's the Arizona wildlife. And this is just the nature of the desert. You know, the baby falls down. And there's one that dive bombed me is right in there. Right there on the bottom branch. Somewhere right there. Let me get closer. Went up. There you go. The mother bird or the father bird protecting its young. I'm gonna get going inside.